Hello everybody, welcome to the video. Today we are going to explain you a game that is called Don't Get Mad, and the first step is that we are going to ask two students to stand up and make a line. After that we will give to the first person on the line a dice. He or she will throw the dice, and the number that he or she gets will be moving on the map that will be in the floor. In the map, we will find some verbs in base form. What students have to do is, if they are, for example, in the verb drive, they have to say the ing form. For example, drive, they have to say driving. But we will not find verbs. We will have some penalties. For example, jump 10 times or dance like a monkey, or we will find go back to the start, and if you are in go back to the start, you have to go to the beginning of the map, and that's it.
To continue with the explanation of the game that we thought that the name is Don't Get Mad, and my classmate explained what is the dynamic of this game, I will explain why we decided to choose this game in order to teach the grammar of our class. And the point is that in this game we have the grammar in an indirect way, because the students, they don't know that they are practicing the grammar that we are going to teach. But as we know, some students, well, this game is the warm-up of the class, and we decided to put the grammar, or at least some part of the grammar, in this game, because as we know, some students already know or already have knowledge about the topic, even though if they are not studying before this topic. And we decided to put the grammar there because some students will help the teacher if they know the topic or they know the grammar. So we decided to put the grammar there because the student have the opportunity to put, for example, some verbs. As we know, they have some verbs in progressive form, and our grammar is progressive form. So in this game, they will make some sentences, and you know that my classmate explained that, and they will learn in an indirect way the grammar. So in the time that we are teaching the grammar during the class, they will remember the game, and they will remember at least the structure of this grammar. So that is why we decided to put this game in order to teach grammar. And as we know, it is a little bit, how can I say that, difficult to put the grammar, not all the grammar, but at least part of the grammar at the beginning. It's difficult, and we know that because as a teacher we don't have the knowledge that if they know the topic. But we decided to put that because we want to know if they know something about the grammar that we are going to teach. We want to measure the knowledge of the grammar. So that is why we put the game at the beginning of the lesson, and that is the reason for which we decided to choose this game. Because if they make a mistake, they will have a penalty. They will create a sentences, and that is why they will learn, or as a teacher we are going to know, or we are going to measure the knowledge of the grammar. So that is the reason that we decided to choose this game. Don't Get Mad.